Good morning, students. Today, students, we will learn how to write and read 7-digit number, 8-digit numbers. As you all know, Indian place value chart and international place value chart, because you have done these two tables in the fourth class. On the behalf of that, we will learn how to read and write 7-digit and 8-digit number. So let's see. First of all, you have to see on page number 8 Indian place value system, and you have to underline this table also. Indian place value system has four periods: ones, thousands, lakhs and crore. In the previous class you have done till lakhs. Now there is a addition of crore. As you all know that in ones there are three places: ones, tens, hundred, and after that three places there will come two places. Like in thousand there come two places, thousands and 10,000, and in lakh there come lakhs and 10 lakhs, and crore and 10 crore. Clear? Means 9 places are grouped in 4 periods. So whenever you write a number, you have to put a commas after 3, then 2, then 2 and then 2, and you will write their periods, not the places name. Periods are ones, thousands, lakhs and crore. Clear? Similarly, we will do international place value system. In international place value system, after ones and thousand there come millions, and in this there are three places in each period. Means in ones there come ones, tens, hundred, in thousand there come thousand, 10,000 and 100,000, and in million there come million, 10 million and 100 million. Clear? Now, if we compare Indian and international place value system, you will see that till 10,000 both are having same places. But when we compare lakh with the 100,000 of international place value chart, now see the difference. 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. 10 lakhs is equals to 1 million. Means 1 million is equals to 10 lakh. 1 crore is equals to 10 million, and 10 crore is equals to 100 million. And down there is written this thing also. Look at the table and observe. 10 crore is equals to 100 million, 10 lakh is equals to 1 million, 1 crore is equals to 10 million. You have to underline in a book only. It is given on the page number 10. Clear? We will not make a table. We will underline in the book only. Clear? Now, on the behalf of that, we do activity 2. In activity 2, firstly we do question number 1, and you have to write in a copy only. Write each of the following numbers in words using Indian place value system. In Indian place value system, as you all know that comma come after 322. Already they put the comma. So after that what to write? We write its periods, not the places. So periods are, first period is ones, then come thousand, and then come lakhs, not million. Million is of international. Clear? Now see, under lakhs it is written 4. So you write 4 lakhs. After that you would see 83. It comes in thousand group. So you write 83,000. Clear? Then come ones. In ones it is written 745. Clear? Now like this you do B part by your own. That is a homework for you. Now C part, 38, 5, 6 and 989. So firstly you write its period, ones, thousand and lakh. So under lakh what is written? 38. You write 38 lakhs. Then come 56,000. Then 989. Clear? Now C E part. Means D part is the homework you have to do by yourself. D also and F also. First period is ones, then come thousand, then come lakhs, then come crore. It means that 5 comes under crore group. So you write 5 crore, 67 lakhs, 33,888. Clear? Now we do question number 2. Question number 2 is write each of the following using international place value system. You know that international place value system commas come after 333, means all are 3. So first place is ones, then come thousand. But after thousand, lakh come? No. There come in international millions. So under million there is 2 written. So you write 2 million. Under thousand, they written 3 numbers. How you speak? 896. So you write 896. After that you have to write its period name, that is thousand. Then you write 450. Clear? B part, D part and F part is a homework. Clear? Now C part. Ones, thousand and million. So under million written 40. So you write 40 million. Down of thousand, what is written? 500. 500, then you write its period name, thousand. Then 179. Clear? Now ones, thousand and million. Now there are 3 numbers. How you speak? 123. Then you write its period name, that is million. Then 453. Then thousand. Then 536. Clear? Like this manner you complete your question 1 and 2 in your maths copy. Whatever part I have not done, you have to do by yourself. That is the homework for you. Now question number 3. That one you have to do in a copy only. There is written 2 million. So you firstly, how you write this one question? 2 millions you have to write. As you know that million is written, so you have to write the places. You have to start from ones, 100, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then million. Clear? Now 2 will come under million. So you write here million. Clear? Then 743,000 means 1000. How many places are there? 3. So 3 numbers are written as 743. So you write 743. Then 149. Clear? Now 7 crore. 7 crore. Do you know how many zeros are there in crore? There comes 70. It means that there should be 8 places in crore. Clear? Because in 8th place there come the crore number. So 7 will come in 8th place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th place 7 come. Then 5 lakhs. So in lakhs there are 2 places. So firstly you write 5 and then 0. Then 47,000. So it will come under 40,000 group. Then 505. Clear? Now 56 crore. So crore is having 10, means 56, means it comes under 10 crore place. So 10 crore you have to write its places like this man: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 56 come under 10 crore and crore. Then 55 lakh, it will come under lakhs group because lakh is having 2 places and 2 numbers given. Then 54,000, it comes under 1000 group. Then 532, you have to write in a book only. Then 22 million. So you write it like this: 22 comma in 1000, how many places? 3. So you write 240. So it will come under 1000 place only. Then 783. Then E part, 71 crore. So 71 comma 86 lakhs. Lakh is having 2 places. So you write 86 under lakh group. Then 47,000. So it will come under 1000 group. Then 105. Clear? Whenever you write the numbers in figures, so how you write? You have to write according to its places. Means firstly you write down the places according to the last period. Here the period is written crores. So it means that you have to write the place value chart till crores. 10 crores. And according to that you fit the number. Now see F part, 105 millions. So number I have written. So how you will do? Firstly you write the places: ones, tens, 100, then come 1000, 10,000, then come 100,000, then million, 10 million, then 100 million. Clear? So it is 105 million. So 1 105, comma, like this manner you write. Clear? Then 4000, so 4000 it will be having one number, so you write from the left hand side, not from the right hand side. Means you write always from the right hand side, not from the left hand side. So 4 will come under 1000 group, then 999. Clear? Now we do question 4. Here is written, rewrite the following number in Indian system. How you write? It's very easy. 300,891,402. Firstly, you write down the number 33891,402. Now commas come in Indian system how? 3, 2. Means we always put from the pattern side. So I have done the one part. After A part I do E part. Here 1, 4, 9. Write down the number first. Then 0, 3, 0. Clear? Now commas come after 3. 3, 2, 2. Clear? 7, 0, 0, 0, 2, 7, 4. So commas come after 3, 2. Means 3, 2, 2. Clear? So all rest of the parts you have to do by yourself. Means commas you only put because they have not told you to write the number in a number. They said only write in an Indian system. Means you have to put the commas according to Indian system. Clear? Now fifth question, rewrite the following numbers in international system. Means firstly you write the number 812,415. Now here international system commas come after 333. So 123 comma 123. After that you will not put a comma because there is no number. Now B part 1503,469. Comma come after 3, 123 comma. Clear? So here commas will be C part you have to do by yourself. I will do D part. 8, 5, 7, 3, 1, 1, 1. So comma come after 3, 3. Clear? Rest of the part you do by yourself. Clear? Now question number 6. Filling the blanks. 1 million is equals to how many lakhs? I have shown you the 1 million means it is equals to 10 lakhs. Clear? 100 lakhs is equals to how many millions? If 1 million is equals to 10 lakhs, so 100 lakhs is equals to 10 millions. Clear? And 10 millions is equals to how many crores? 1 crore means 100 lakh is equals to 1 crore only. Then D part. Dash crore is equals to 100 million means 10 crore is equals to 100 million. Now I am a 7-digit number means you have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Clear? My tens place number is 3. Clear? My lakh place is 2. So lakh place is 2. So here you write 2. My 100 place is twice the lakh place. Means agar lakh place is 2, my 100 place is 4. Twice means double. My 1000 place is 3 times of tens place. Tens place is 3. The 1000 places thrice means 3 into 3, that will become 9. My 10 lakh place is 3 less than 1000 place. 1000 place is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. So here comes 6. Clear? My ones place is 2 less than 1000 place. 2 less than 1000 place means 9 minus 2 is 7. My 10,000 place is 8. Clear? So your number is 62,89,437. Clear, students? So I hope you understand today's lesson and understand how to write the numbers in Indian place value chart and international place value chart. When you write in number name, you have to write their periods and separate the number according to its place value. If it is Indian, you write it 322 and write its places 1000, lakhs and crore. When it is international, you put a comma after 333 and the place periods are 1000 million. According to that you do. You have done comparison also. So I hope you understand today's lecture and able to complete the homework which I have given you. Thank you and have a nice